Good morning. It's quite gusty here and it's quite sunny, and I'm down at Belfast Lough once again. The entrance, the camera is pointing to the entrance of Belfast Lough, and it's the 10th of June, Friday the 10th of June, and I'm looking out towards the horizon, and there's another cruise ship coming in, and I've never videoed this cruise ship before, but I've videoed her sister ships. This is one of the Viking fleet, and this is the Viking Venus arriving into Belfast. Not due into 8 o'clock, and she's at the mouth of Belfast Lough, right on the horizon there. There she is. So she's bang on schedule. And she's going to be greeted by nice weather. And she's moved right from the right of the channel, and she's going over to the left of the channel because that's where the deep water is. It's now coming up to 7:15. And there's the Viking Venus in the morning sun. And is this the pilot boat heading back to Belfast docks? Let's see. There he is. I'm just about to reach the headland any time now. There she goes. Another half an hour and she'll be in. Easily in. Probably unloading our passengers. And there's a Stena just leaving. I think this is the... Is this the Stena Superfast? I think it is. Stena Superfast 8. Heading out. The wee pilot boat is already away in behind it and in, and pan round, and we're heading for the big chimney stack of the power station, and our boat is making steady progress. Just past it. And there's always stennas coming and going out of Belfast. And we've got a bit more action happening here. We've got a tug heading out. I think this will probably help the Viking cruise ship, and this is the Spitzer something or other. Switzer. Workhorse of any shipyard. Dock. Workhorse of any port docks. These wee tugs. Probably guide this this Viking Venus boat in. I'm not sure why you would need the tugboat, because you've got a pilot on board. But I've seen this happen before. It doesn't happen every time. They usually sit in behind the cruise ship. Don't know why. Anyone? Explain that? Oh, this Stenna super fast, just about to pass the Viking Venus. And what can I tell you about the Viking Venus? Well, she's a sister ship. She's the last boat that they've built in a fleet of 7 Viking boats. So you've got the Viking Sea, and you've got the Viking Sky, and the Viking Sun, and the Viking Venus, and there's a number of other ones that I don't even know the name of. This boat is brand new, built in 2021, and I have videoed her before. But not coming into Belfast. She's 745 feet long and 95 feet wide. Got 10 passenger decks, and she's got an all-round promenade for those who like to go for a wee walk round the ship, and those who like to go for a wee jog in the morning, keep themselves fit. A lot of people like that. And she's 48,000 tons, and she cost 340 million. And I forgot to find out where she was built. Oopsie doopsie. Nice saying hello. I'm thinking that she was probably built in Fincantierei, Triest in Italy. I'm thinking that. Might be wrong. I'll put it in my notes whenever I look at it, whenever I get home. So this boat is très modern. It's got Wi-Fi, and it's got all sorts of spa treatments and swimming pools, and it's got a thermal suite. It's even got a snow room. Now, what would you need a snow room on a cruise ship? I just have no idea. It's got, because it's a Scandinavian owned boat, because it's a Scandinavian boat, it's decor and all the rest of it's all laid out in a sort of a Scandinavian type way. So haven't really got an awful lot of other information on her, but she's very welcome to Belfast. And I've forgotten actually to find out the number of passengers and crew. That's desperate. I'll have to look that up. Yeah, about 930 passengers, and did I mention that she's about 48,000 tons. So if there's 930 passengers, you're going to talk about 600 of a crew. A beautiful boat. So not too big or not too small. And she was, as far as I know, she was built in Fincantierei in Italy. And there's the tug, as I thought it would do, hugging her rear end. Well, shadowing her rear end. Not sure why. And this is me. My goodness. There's swifts, and they're coming over my head here. Don't know whether you can see them or not. And this is me walking down the pathway at the side of the Wow Centre. And this is the Viking Venus. My goodness, look at this. They're almost dive bombing me. There must be a lot of flies for them. I couldn't get the bike down here. There's all sorts of wee birds jumping up. A lot of wee wagtails there. This is where I saw the warbler the other day. Look at, here's the swifts. Wow! Wow! There's certainly nothing wrong with a swift population here. Here's the Viking Venus making steady progress. And I'm trying to get down here to the water's edge before she passes. I have to leave the bike at on the side of the gate. And this is one of the best spots for watching cruise ships come into Belfast. You're right, you know, on the money here. You're so close. You're not going to get closer. Oh, that's interesting what I'm seeing here. Because it appears that there's a line attached from the back of the Viking Venus to the wee tug. Oh, what's going on here? I just can't believe this. Is there a line? What's that about? I've seen tugs, you know, sitting at the back of cruise ships before, but I've never seen a line. Maybe I just didn't have the eyes to see it. And I don't see anybody out on deck. Not a sinner. Which is a wee bit surprising. Because that's where I would want to be, coming into a new port. My only thought on this line is that the rear end of these cruise ships, you know, might move about, and the wee tug is there to stabilise her. I just can't understand this. Oh. Well, that's a new one on me. And the Viking Venus is the second boat in this morning. The Borealis was in earlier, but I have videoed the Borealis before, twice, so I don't normally do another video of a ship that has been in. Yeah, I hope everybody has a good time in Belfast, seeing the sights and sounds, and maybe eating an Ulster fry. Health and blessings to all who sail in the Viking Venus. And well done. The stripes are something or other. Can't read it.